For entering item name, click on to Master and select Product Master. Click Add for adding the item name. Click Edit for editing the item name and update. For entering item group, click on to Master and select Item Group. Click Add for adding the item group. Click Edit for editing the item group and update. For entering item subgroup, click on to Master and select Item Subgroup. Click Add for adding the subgroup. Click Edit for editing the subgroup and update. For entering store unit, click on to Master and select Store Unit. Click Add for adding the store unit name. Click Edit for editing the store unit name and update. For entering Store Master, click on to Master and select Store Master. Click Add for adding the Store Master. Click Edit for editing the Store Master and update. For entering Store Transaction Type, click on to Master and select Store Transaction Type. Click Add for adding the transaction type. Click Edit for editing the transaction type and update. For entering unit, click on to Master and select Unit. Click Add for adding the unit. Click Edit for editing the unit and update. For entering department, click on to Master and select Department. Click Add for adding the department. Click Edit for editing the department and update. For entering cost center, click on to Master and select Cost Center. Click Add for adding the cost center. Click Edit for editing the cost center and update. The overall specification of inventory management master has been depicted successfully. Thank you.